Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the HTML template to embed a video into a page that you're creating in Brightspace. So here I am on the online course development course, the resource, and I'm in the submodule of project management in the sample content module. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go to upload/create and hit that button. And now I'm going to go and select create a file. Now here I am with my WYSIWYG editor, and I'll just give this file a name, test1. And I need to select the document template, so I select that button. Now you should note, if you select video lecture, there will be a video placeholder where you can swap out the video using the process that I'm about to show you. But let's say you're working on a different document template or you want to add another video. Well, this is the process you're going to follow. So I'm just going to change this to a blank document template, make some space. Now I'm going to go over to the elements page in the HTML template, and I'm going to come all the way to the bottom where the video embed is located. And I may actually put this video that I'm making right now right here as a replacement. So it might look different when you go to it. So I'm going to select copy code. There we go. And then I'm going to go back to the page I'm creating. Now, just like with other elements, I'm going to go to Insert Stuff icon, going to go to Enter Embed Code, and paste that code right in there and select Next and Insert. So there we go. Now we have our placeholder video in there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click just to the left here of the video, and I'm going to hit delete. And you see that actually deletes the video. Now I'm going to go to YouTube or Stream, wherever I'm streaming my video from. In this case, we'll use YouTube. And I need to find the embed code. So it's a different process in YouTube than it is in Stream. But in YouTube, this is how you do it. So you go to Share, select Embed. And now this is what we're after here, where it starts where it says iframe. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go back where I want to embed this video. And once again, I'm going to go to Insert Stuff, come down to Enter Embed Code, and I'm just going to paste that in just like that. And voila, there it is. Now, the next step is if you want to include the direct link, you're going to have to change the name of it here. So I'm just going to delete this. Might have to delete a few times to fully get rid of that. Actually, we'll just make another space there. We can get rid of this too. Nope, there we go. And now I'm going to come back to the video. I'm going to grab the title. So just in this case, Niagara College, Canada, copy. I will paste it as plain text, Control-Shift-V, and I will highlight it. And I'm going to go to Insert Quick Link. Make it a link. And I'm going to go back once more. I'm going to select Share in YouTube here. And then this right here, this is the direct link to it that comes up that you see right here in this Share pop up. So I'm going to copy that, go back to my create a file, and just paste that URL right there. And I can see that's the link. The text is Niagara College, Canada. And I'm going to choose open in new window. I'm going to hit insert. And there it is. And I'll just come up here and I want to get rid of my, let me just fix that there. My start copy text there, get everything positioned right. And I'm going to select save and close. And voila, that's it. I have now successfully swapped out the video in the video embed. And that is how you can use the HTML template to do that.